Good morning, Raven. Hello. How are we doing on this wonderful Tuesday? Wednesday? Wednesday morning. Wednesday? Yeah. How was your brother's graduation? Pretty good. What about yourself? Oh, it's good. I added three new accounts that I bought yesterday from Alpha Futures, but I'm dumb and didn't read the whole um, like all the rules or whatever, and they had like some deal going on, but I'm an idiot and I bought the wrong accounts for the deal, so but it's okay. And I think let's see. Maybe you get a refund. It's fine. I'll just do them. It's all right. It's good morning, Elias. Um, I mean, I'll just try to pass them regardless. I just have to pay an activation fee that I didn't realize I had. I thought I didn't have to pay the activation fee, but it's only for the qualified accounts. So, oh, look who decides to join. Oh my god, it's late.
Oh,
Good morning.
bitch.
Yep. Yep. It's late. Ready, to low play. I also have decided I'm going to start swing trading some options as along with my futures, and I think I might be getting in on a PayPal long here at open, depending on what she does. Pretty close to an area of interest here. Let's see. The market is about to open. Might be looking for the long after news. Oh, I have to check that. What time is news? 9:45 or 10? Both. 9:45. Oh, it's a yellow folder. Red folder news at 10. Okay. Get this over. Is you done for the day? Yeah, literally. What are we looking at? Longs or shorts? Alright, we'll woke up super late. I didn't have time to give my analysis entry, but I took that long. Of course you did. This man, I don't understand. Do you ever lose? Have you lost since you joined? I swear you haven't. This guy's a wizard. 740 long? Oh, okay. So I didn't even see the wake at first. Oh. Oh. Just got the notification. Let's trade some options. So that's 1 week, 2 weeks, 4 weeks. So let's go. All right. An 8-day winning streak, 100% win strap, literally. Actually, I gotta see my funded futures. Where's my funded futures? Is this? So I need $800 or so. Is there a way when you're copy trading to only close out one account? I don't know. So realistically, I need like just over 1 hour. Or do I just have to do 2 and just say fuck it? It's one trade. What is MA? No, I don't like that. Even though we are in an uptrend, but whatever. Please open a Discord mic, please. Day 57,485. Ask your mic to open Discord. Yeah, if you give me $100 a month, I'll open a Discord. How about that? Is that fair? how me and Raven are talking in Discord, so you won't have that good of engagement. That's okay. If you need a mod, I'll be mod. What does mod even do? For free? You normally pay mods? Is that how it works?
If your Discord's big, yeah.
Really?
Like,
Regulate chat?
pretty much it.
Sounds like communism. But like, that's every single fucking person that is. I feel like every chat you ever read, there's just everyone's a degenerate. So what, you just regulate everybody? I saw Coop posted something yesterday in his Discord, and he was like, it's like retail strategies work, and it was literally a flag, which was the exact flag that we took yesterday.
Was it?
Yeah, I'm like, this dude's stealing my strategy.
Yeah, because we definitely came up with flags.
Yep. I think how to use Discord. Oh, that's a great for my mod. Someone who doesn't know how to use Discord. I have bad cravings right now, dude. I can't. I am fasting. That's why I was late. Are you on the cut right now, Ilias? Or are you doing like fucking Ramadan? When is Ramadan? No idea.
I mean, where is it?
I said when.
No. You said where's from?
It's over. Did it just end? It was last March.
Don't you have to, like, what's Ramadan? You just don't eat for 7 days?
No, no, no. Ramadan is like you have to wait till like the sun goes down or something like that. I'm pretty sure. No, it's a religious thing. In 2 days, it's. Does it say Eid or Eld? Is that an I or an L? Eid.
That is the craziest way to spell religious.
Yeah, yeah, I know. I just went right by it. No eating or drinking for the whole month. Ramadan is? I thought you could eat like after dark or something like that.
You wouldn't be able to survive if you didn't drink for a whole month.
I think it means like alcohol. That's what I took from it. It's in French, Johnny. Well, none of the other words you spoke were in French. I just can't get behind religion. It all just seems so silly. What is the reason? Like, I'm not making fun of your religion, but like, what is the reason? Is you can eat and drink after sundown. No drinking water throughout the whole day. Like, what is the reason for that? Just seems absurd. Not gonna lie, my mom forces me, so I forget. That's also a problem with religion. It just gets forced onto people, and it's like, is at that point, are you even practicing religion, or are you just doing it because you have to? Eid is sacrifice holidays where we sacrifice a goat for Allah. Why do you sacrifice a goat? Why does Allah want a goat? Getting a sheep? What is happening? I cannot get behind religion. I can't do it. What is the willingness of Abraham to sacrifice his son Ishmael as an act of obedience to God's command?
Such a I
Honors the
can't.
honors the willingness of Abraham.
You're like honoring something that happened fucking
What?
thousands of years ago, and people like take it.
Allegedly.
Yeah, allegedly to
Like,
happened
what
thousands of years ago.
happens? There's one Almighty God, right? Because everybody thinks there's one Almighty God. And then say what happens. You practice and you devote the entire time, your entire life to it. And then they're like, ooh, you were Muslim? Wrong God, sorry. It was Christianity. You're kicked out. You didn't
Pretty sure
follow
they
me.
believe in the same God.
Yeah, but like you practice it differently.
Yeah.
So it's like, oh, and then like, so God, what? God's just like, oh, you made a mistake. You tried to devote your life, but you messed up. Sorry. Down to hell for you. Like, is that what happens? That's because a long time ago, Abraham was told by God to kill his son, and he listened, and God turned his son to a sheep. I can't believe that's real. I just can't. We believe the same God. Yeah, but if you do different, like if you're Christian, okay, if you're practice Christianity, then like what if you don't do all the stuff that you have to do if you're practicing like being Muslim or whatever the fuck is it Muslim? Yeah. All right, this is some news at 9:40. Like then what
That's
happens?
what that's what I don't understand. Like, it's like you all believe in the same God, but then I don't know. How do you all believe in different things?
And what the Jews think that Jesus was the fake Messiah or something, and Jesus is still coming back or something like that. Pretty sure. The Bible was from different witnesses, and I believe the Quran was from God Himself. But honestly, both are the same comment. I want to go back to sleep so bad. I need my zins. Is zins haram? Are you allowed to have zins? Don't you have work? Are you not working right now? The Quran was. See, why would anybody believe in the Bible then? If the Quran is directly from the Lord Himself, allegedly. I am actually working. Oh no! What a travesty! You have to do work at your job. What a shame. That's an argument for scholars. Oh well. They debate about this for a living. I don't know how you can debate like I don't know. Seems like such a weird thing to be able to debate because it's like I feel like there's just no proof. But I mean, I guess they just use the Bible as proof. Meanwhile, it was a kid's bedtime story that somehow got changed into being a Bible. And now I think I go to hell just because I said that. Holy apple. Like, look, you can't ask us. We are not that educated. If you are a curious person, you can do some research on your own. But from a scholar, not some internet kids that trade Apex for a living. I know, but it's just the concept. It just seems like everything about religion just seems goofy to me. And like, I don't know what happens if you try and then you just can't believe in it. Then like, say you actually go. Like, I'm not saying I put in fucking effort to learn it, but like you like practice all the stuff you're supposed to, but then at the end of the day, you know deep down that you don't believe in it, or like it just like doesn't resonate with you. Then what? If you gave it like the actual effort.
You go to hell.
Yeah, is that what it is? Just be a good person. Be good to yourself and others. Eventually, the good will be returned.
That's what, I feel like religion is just like having basic morals.
Morals, yeah. It's just like for people who don't have morals to like join the religion and then find some morals.
And
So
then it's
that's how
just
that many
people to
can't do.
find like excuses that have like bad things happen in their life to just like cope with it and feel better.
Yeah.
It's like, oh, I have cancer, but and then I turned religious.
You know, I used to be a non-religious person at all, but the day I saw with eyes a paranormal thing, that was the day that I became a true Muslim and found my way. That's what I need. That's what I told we told our grandfather when he died, because he was religious. We're like, all right, if you give us a sign, maybe I'll believe. But until then, and I have not got no sign. I don't know what a sign looks like, but a Ouija board, low key. I don't believe in any of that shit or like ghosts or anything. I mean, if we do trap underneath this, Johnny, it would be right at like the 2 minute EMA we could bounce right off of right after we trap below, come back up. The only problem is we got news at 10, so if this is gonna happen, we're gonna need to go. You're so glad you're done braiding because what the fuck is this slow ass price action? What do you mean? We literally went up, went down, went up, and then we're going down. I feel like this is better than most days already. Saw it on Target kids toy section. What a Ouija board? Because it is. It's just a fucking. It's a toy that like you do when you're 10 with your friends, and then somebody pushes it, and then everybody freaks out. Isn't that the rules? Not good for your strat. No setups at all. Wow, no setups after you already took a trade 1 minute into the day, and there hasn't been any setups for another 21 minutes. Wow. You need volume? Dog, that candle was 30 points. I really hope this actually doesn't come up before news. I feel like it's gonna get there, like fucking the typical. It's gonna get right up to this section, right for like fucking 9:58, 9:59. I won't get in, and then news will happen, and I'll just go. I feel like that always happens. Please. I'll not trade and do something else. I'm gonna do my Apex charting, journaling BS and send it to them. Do you put a lot of time into that, Elias? I literally take like 6 seconds. I literally just like yesterday I screenshotted it and I was like, okay, I didn't take this. This is just bull flag after it bounced off the 15-minute range and the EMA on the 3-minute. And like that was literally like basically what I said. After I said bull flag after trap below, bounced off the 15-minute opening range and the 3-minute EMA and went higher. That's literally like all I said. Yeah, 1 minute back. Okay. Some of the other guys in the Discord I'm in were telling me to stream on TikTok too, because it's like way easier to get viewers, and then you can just like convert them over to YouTube. But I don't think that's possible based on how easily like Coup gets banned on there. Like I don't even think you can say retard or anything. So I don't know if that's gonna happen. You're the worst streamer of all times. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Can Ethereum break out of this range? That'd be cool. Mike, we still love you. Really? How sweet. Okay, let's see what news does here. I'm already spoiled this week. In 2 days, I've had 2 trades. That never happens anymore. Even though I lost the first one. Did I write that wrong? Why did I write fucking... Oh my fucking god. Oh, dummy. I fucking wrote my calendar wrong. Johnny, up or down for news?
Up.
Oh, yeah. Dude, I hate options. Between like getting slipped and theta, they're like pretty much the high. Unless I bought at the absolute high, which I don't think I bought at the very, very, very high.
You
I'm
up?
still
Did you
down.
do day options?
I did like fucking 4 weeks out. I did it like based on kind of how many weeks it took to form. It's like 1 week, 2 week, 3 week. This is like the fourth week, so I think I did like a month away. Whoa! Did you say down?
Hey,
Yeah.
I said up.
Well, you were wrong. Options are pretty good if you know math, TBH. You full ported? No, you didn't. You're lying. But we're gonna retrace at least back up to 45. Because that's what happens. You can do this every single time. Every news event does this. Pushes down really hard, then starts to pull back, and then fully retraces the whole move. Happens every time. It's foolproof. Full. Okay, that's it for news. There's crude oil at 10:30, but that doesn't matter. Whoop, whoop. No, I didn't trade. I was spending the past 10 minutes figuring out how to zoom into my broker. What does that mean, zoom into your broker? Full porting was the hardest character that I have left and never went back to. That made me allegedly profitable. I still full port on evals just to pass them. I don't know if that counts as what you're talking about, but how could this happen to me? I've made my mistakes. I am liking the one trade a day thing, so much less stress. How many times did you used to trade? And like this, I can focus on Mikey's stream. I think you should say that so you can focus on work. I should trade every setup till 11 a.m. Really? How many were there roughly? From the sounds of it, what would that be, 120? Because you take the first minute every single day? 5 to 6? No, I was off. Nvidia's falling through the floor. Apple's ripping higher. Okay, yeah, I can't do this shit anymore. I'm just now realizing how addicted I am to Zins. What the fuck? It's not real. Addiction's not real, Ilias.
Sounds so stupid.
It's a myth. There's no such thing. Yeah, I took that sell. Ooh, good shit. Did it already hit TP or? So I figured out how to zoom into my damn chart. What is the issue? What are you trading on? Hit TP. Good shit. Dude, I'm feeling these cravings at a physical level. Yeah. But just stop. Just don't do them. It's that easy. I want to get addicted to something just to prove that I can get unaddicted to it just as easily. Sounds like a good time.
Yeah, it sounds like a hoot.
Like cigarettes, I know I could stop cigarettes.
Just
Someone
think
did
this
that
is
to
stupid to
vapes.
begin
Now
with.
he can't stop. LMAO. Slide to Miami, I got you. You gonna fly me out, Raven? Weed crack perk. God, she's the plug. It's on YouTube, you can watch it. Yeah, but the guy's probably a dummy. It's
Wait,
all a
what guy
mental
actually
game.
did? Are you talking about the guy who did it to meth?
Oh, Johnny, I told you, this isn't real.
No, like one guy actually like went and tried to do it with meth. He's like, I'm gonna do it to stop addiction, and then he's like on Seth Rogen, and he's just like,
It's Joe
I could
Rogan,
quit if
and
I
I
want.
already told you it's
That's
not
Seth
real, you
Rogen.
dummy.
No.
Hello, blocked. We went over this. I knew you were gonna say that too. I'm like, I
Right?
hope you
Did
remember.
we go over it?
Yeah, we did because you said it before at the gym. I'm like, that is definitely fake, and then we looked it up and it was fake. Wish I held my short runners. You can't think like that, block. You gotta take what you can get. Nobody care at block. Wow, Ilias. You know what? That was rude. 10-second timeout. Shame on you. How many points did you get blocked? And how many was the plan? Because that's really realistically all that matters. Was your target like low of day or something? Yeah, that's right. That's right, bitch. Comes in here, he speaks in chat for the first time. Then you shit on him. Whole chat looks like I was talking with myself now. Oh man, that's awkward. You right? It was a little more than a 1-to-1. Yeah, that's what you go for. It doesn't matter. I mean, this was my trade yesterday. I got out here at my 1 to 1.5. Oh my god, dude! I could have held it all the way up to here and caught a 1 to 7. Shucks. Like no, it's just like all right, cool. I made my money. It worked out. I have Fiji set up late. Let me see if I can find it. I have Fiji set up. Was it on the 1 minute? Were you in it for hella long? Was it this? Did you? I don't think it would be that. She would have got in here. But that's the only up one I see. Like there's this one, but wouldn't that be for a long? It was that? Oh my god, dude. Literally put me on ICT. I can do this shit. You were in it for that long? What, you shorted here? What, stops above the high? And then what? 1 to 1? A little over 1 to 1? Like here-ish? Maybe? 15-minute range? I started trading 2 Apex account last month, and I take 1 10-point trade. Using 5NQ, not even 1NQ, so $100 wins in my accounts are 2.8k right now, so consistency is key. You don't even trade 1 mini? You're not even risking $200 a trade? Ilias? Wow, look at that. I fucking called out your trade perfectly. Why were you short? What, after we swept out London high or pre-market highs or whatever? You expected us to go lower? Why don't you risk a 1 mini? What's $200? There we go. This is because of risk management, Mike. Dude, you might as well not even trade a prop firm account and risk $100 of your own money and make it in cash. I need 4k to risk 200 on a strategy that wins 70% of the time. That like barely makes any sense, or like doesn't even really make any sense. That is not ICT fair value gap, Mike. What? Isn't inverse fair value gap like ICT thing?
No, I think that's just a normal thing.
Oh, I don't think AJ took it though because it wasn't the cleanest. Wait, who is blocked? You know who AJ is? Who are you? Well, the candle you marked right now. This is not a fair value gap? I don't know, that's how my mentor teach me. Dude, you could risk $100 of real money and not have to worry about fucking not getting paid from a prop firm. I'm Top. Oh, hello Top. I didn't realize. I don't know if AJ would have took this. I had some guy, I don't know, maybe it was you. I had someone comment on my video like, dude, you're risking way too much money. You should only be risking 1% of your 50k account, or 1% of your $2,000 drawdown or something like that. And I'm like, dude, why are we even using prop firms? The whole point is leverage.
$20?
Yeah, it's like, why am I going to risk fucking $20? Hello, my copy trading. Have you heard of it? Yeah, I have heard of it. I'm copy trading 26 accounts. I think I've heard of it. But still, $20 times fucking 20 accounts is $400. I risk $400 of my cash account. Like, even on my fucking swing trade that I'm doing right now, that I'm probably down in. I'm definitely down in, but still. Guy asks if I've heard of copy trading. I'm copy trading more accounts than your mentor. Realistically, I don't see anybody trading more accounts than me, for the most part. I used to trade like an expansion model and aim for higher RRs. That's why I'm like I could have got more of the move, but it followed my plan. That's all that matters. Yeah, catching a high RR. It's like the fallacy of trading. I think I used that right. My mentor managed billions looser. Yeah, sure. Warren Buffett. That's my fucking mentor.
What a loser.
There we go, looser. And Q bounced right off the pivot point. Or the QQQ did. And we're chopping back into the 15-minute opening range. That's not good.
I don't know how I try.
Let's see. Not gonna lie, Mike. It might be retracing back to the 5 minute fair value gap. From there, you might expect a retracement back to the downside to sweep more liquidity. 5 minute fair value gap. What this? This guy here. Is it supposed to be like more? Is it supposed to hold more weight if you have a fair value gap in the 5 minute as opposed to the 1 minute? How does that work? Based on, I don't know. Yeah, by the way, FTMO is having a pro project where skilled traders can work in their quant firm that manage money, and you have a salary of 300K. You keep trading, but it's so hard to become pro. A salary, like you have to work for them. Yeah, the higher the time frame, the more accurate it will be. I feel like there's so many, even on the bigger time frames. Like I just feel like, how do you not fucking just pattern or I hate to say pattern trading, but like I feel like there's just so many opportunities. I know you have to like wean it out somehow, but there's just so many gaps. And do people play fair value gap bounces? Like, is somebody gonna be like, "Oh, it's gonna hold. If it holds this fair value gap and closes back outside of it, I go short." Oh shit. Yeah, it's a quant job for 300K a year. If you were a successful trader, you could easily make
Hey,
more than
Michael?
that. Yep.
I'm heading out. If they're not back, they should be.
Yep. Okay. Love you too. Bye.
And call that doctor.
Yes, mother dearest.
Thank you.
Good lord. Yeah, people do that. Yeah, okay. I thought so. Yep, that's me, mom. Doing mom things, yelling at me because I gotta call the doctor. The doctor. Fair value gaps and inverse fair value gaps are straight up astrology. Can't change my mind. I don't fucking know. It's all astrology. Just fucking make something up on the chart that you can see happen consistently that you can try to manage risk from and then enter off of it. What did silver end up doing? Still up there at what would be right around 3R. Gold. Same thing. Need PayPal to break out here. How much volume does PayPal get per day? $9.23 million.
You look at that and you're like, oh, that's high. You get anything out of that?
I mean, it's better than some things. I don't know. Let's compare it to Walmart. Less. Let's compare it to Netflix. It's higher than Netflix.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter. It matters up market cap though.
$70 billion. What is Netflix? 524 billion. What is Walmart? 700 or 800 billion. Jesus. Scorpion vibes.
God.
Hey, what do you mean? Alright, I gotta go and finish work. Wow. I didn't know you did any work. Have fun. I don't know what I need to see for something to me to take it. But I'm not liking this. We're just chopping at the VWAP. Are we doing what you thought we would do, Raven? We're chopping in this 15 or this 5-minute gap. Let's see some more volume at 10:30 to 10:45. I hope so. No, I said. I thought you said this is what you were expecting, for it to come up into this and then reverse or something, and then like go sweep the lows or something. But no volume might keep chopping. Well, my whole favorite will be invalidated. Let's see.
Uh,
Oh yeah.
Sitting right back in the middle of the range.
Because we're sitting on the dock of the bay. Wasn't the time
Right back into the middle.
away the thrills of trading. Let's see if I can take anything. Yeah, this is getting lame, but I'm gonna stick it out. Look at that VWAP. Look at it. Just fucking straight line. I'm bored. I'm gonna play a game of chess. I'll do a bullet. Oh no. Shit. He's gonna take my. Fuck. Oh no. Idiot. I'm a fucking genius. Gotta love bullet. We're
You
just.
lose and then you just went off time.
No, I was winning.
I was
Yeah, it's just not even chess. It's just. Yuck. I gotta get my blitz rating up, but blitz is so hard. Ooh, Johnny's sitting down there at a 205.
Dude, I don't play Blitz.
Yikes. Alright, let's go
I
to
don't
rapid.
play Blitz.
Let's go to rapid. Let's go to rapid.
I'm at 590 or 579, I think. Am I? What am I? I've seen a rough patch.
I don't know. It doesn't say. Why does it not say? We might be going long. Oh, wrong page. Oh baby. No confluences. Hey, I like it. Based on it going up, that's your confluence. Oh, look at fucking PayPal. Let's see. Am I green yet? Or probably fucking not. Oh, we're down $7.
How far was your like, were you out of the money?
I don't even know how fucking options work. I did a $78 call. So yeah.
What is it at? 78?
72.
Yeah, well that's, you need to go up a lot.
Well, it was like 56 cents a contract. So I bought like a couple of them. What you're doing options right now? Yeah, I'm trying to do some swing trading of options, like kind of how I'm swing trading, like futures or whatever. I'm just gonna be swing trading some options. So I bought this breakout of a flag on the daily on PayPal. May God protect you from theta. I mean, as you can tell, already not happening because I bought within like the first fucking. I bought somewhere in here, probably like around there. So, and I'm still down because theta's the coolest. I literally don't know how people trade options like day trading. It's already hard enough to be right. Now you gotta be right on time too. Like it just seems crazy.
Yeah, but you can make more money, I think, than
Yeah, if it's like more volatile, it goes up a higher percentage of the thing. But
so it's like
just
options is great for like news, like or like earnings. If people are like really confident on earnings, and then like it goes up like pre-market. Shit ton of money out that way.
like just seeing the chart and seeing how much I'm up, and then actually still being down one tick is funny, or 1 cent is funny. May God protect you from theta. That's funny. I don't understand why I can't see your ranking in rapid.
579, I think.
I don't know why I can only see it in blitz. Let's see.
Maybe because I played a blitz game recently. And I haven't played it.
576 in rapid. Yikes.
I was close. I said 579.
Yikes. Yeah, my friend from calc class did options and he traded ES and Nvidia. Yeah, I mean, when we first started, that's what we were doing. We were trading options, and then we were trading like stocks, and then we found that you could like just trade, yeah, like the ES or the SPY, and then we would just trade that, and then I went over to futures, and then found
So
the
the thing is, I
fucking
probably
NQ.
made. I almost made more money in options.
Yeah,
Just
because
YOLOing and
it
not
was
knowing
called
anything.
luck. Yeah. Oh, I'm up fucking $14. We're fucking mooning. Go PayPal, go. Like, I bought out of the money for $78 or whatever, which is way up here, which obviously it's not going to get to that. But like the contract size seems reasonable. Like, should I have bought more expensive contracts and actually went for like high of this range? Is that how you're supposed to play fucking options? I don't know. No, I haven't taken a trade yet. FF's in, nor you're in longs right now. Good luck. It's looking decent. I don't know when you got in, but we're going up. We're out of the chop finally. Yes, pushing higher. Nvidia going higher. Apple trying to get back above that EMA. In PayPal ripping. Like how? How am I only up fucking two cents on my fucking options call? How? I hate this shit. We the PayPal mafia, yeah.
You're betting that it gets to $78.
Yeah, from like a fucking month from now.
Yeah, still.
But it was 56 cents a contract. Like you wouldn't think it'd have to go up that much percent for it to go up fucking 1 cent. Like I'm up
You need
this.
a 10% increase.
Yeah. Okay. And from what I bought, I'm up fucking 0.6% in fucking 30 minutes of when I bought, or an hour of when I bought.
Shouldn't have done so far out.
I just did like what seemed like decent
That's the problem with the options. You care about how much money you're spending. You're not caring about the actual good percentage trades.
But I didn't. I don't even know. I didn't think there was a difference, honestly.
There's a huge difference. Like you would probably be up right now if you did like $73 or
That's what I'm saying. Like, is
$74.
that what you should do? If like, even if they're like a doll. Let me see. Can I fucking check? Can I? Is there a Robinhood fucking website? Can I do that and then show it, or is it gonna show all my fucking?
There is a Robinhood website. I don't know what it will show, but
Yeah.
you can see a calculator on Robinhood now.
Wait. All right. Let me
Where you
go
can
in
like
the app. I just don't want to fucking show any of my shit. I don't even know my fucking Robinhood password. Oh, fuck. Do I have my Robinhood password down? I don't know why it'd be any different than anything else, but. I do have it, because I. Let's try that. There we go. Okay. It's looking pretty good, Nor. I don't know where your TP is, but we're grinding higher right now. Is this showing any fucking personal data? I mean, it's just my fucking account balance. I don't really care about that, but no, like. Jesus Christ. Is there like a fucking. A fucking dark mode or something? I'm getting flashbanged out here. Does anybody know if there's a dark mode on Robinhood? 2170 or 21,744. Oh, so that hit TP. Or is that where you got it? I don't know. Let me see. Is there a dark mode in Robinhood? Ah, there we go. Okay, I can fucking see now. Uh-oh. That's an entry. That is not looking good for you, Nor. Alright, what do I go to here for... Stop at 709 could be a sad day. I mean, we're holding at VWAP right now. You got the 15-minute range below it. We're at the EMA. Jesus. I don't know what kind of below all the EMAs at this point. 1, 2, 3, 5, 15. Maybe the 15 we're holding. What is this price action? Yeah, it's not me favorite. All right, Johnny, how do I see this shit?
No, you're asking the wrong person.
You were the
No,
one
you
who fucking
can't.
said it.
Yeah, it doesn't mean I know how. I know you can though.
So I bought a buy and a call for when? Oh my fucking god! Wait, will it tell me? Let me see. Mine expires 7/3. So if I go to view all options, go to 7/3. Oh fuck, 7/3. What did I buy? I bought. I didn't fucking check. This is so stupid. I'm definitely doing this wrong. 7/3 $78 calls. So here, 7/3 $78 calls. What are we doing here? Oh, it says it here plus 7. So 60 cents. I bought them at 56. So what? If I bought like 70. Just call it. Let me go to the daily. Call it $74 calls. They were. Can I see one? I'm confused. I wish I could see what they were when. Yeah, I wish I could see what they were when I bought the other ones. It says it's 102% change. But I think that's from open or something. I don't know. I don't fucking know. Yeah, we are back to the VWAP chop. I call it a day, low key. Maybe tomorrow will be a bit better. Yeah. I'm gonna wait for my last 15 minutes of my session because I think on Monday I closed it early because it didn't look like it was going to do anything, and then technically there was a setup. I don't know if I would have taken it, but I took this one and lost, but then there was this one here, and like around like here I just left. But then I ended up like pushing higher, trapping below, and then pushing higher, and then would have got me for the 120 that I was looking for. So I'm gonna wait and see. Can markets up and gain hit your stop loss already? If it comes back up to 44, are you gonna get out of it? No, he means a stop loss because his stop loss is at like 710 or something like that, or 709. Yeah, so like he was like a fucking tick away here, or like a point away. Just cut it onto tomorrow. You just cut it right now, or you're gonna cut it if it comes back up to 74 or 744? Just cut it, I'm out. I gotcha. Well, you save yourself a couple points. I mean, makes sense that we're kind of choppy today, I feel like. I mean, Monday and Tuesday. We moved a lot Monday, moved a lot Tuesday. So right now we are kind of consolidating. Actually, gotta see when I get rebuild for my last Wi-Fi futures account that I didn't pass. I feel like it might be coming up soon, and if that's the case, I'm just gonna have to. What the fuck is this? What's today? This renews on June 5th. Does that mean I have... Do I have tomorrow to trade to, or it's like the beginning of the day? I don't know. I might just try to pass it today. We got a dump here. I'm not in one, Raven, but I think we could go.
Breathing so loud into your mic.
Am I?
Yeah. At least on Discord.
I don't know how. I don't know how. Yeah, I mean, I don't think I'm taking anything in my in all my accounts, but I might just take it in my MyFund Future account because it gets rebuilt tomorrow because I didn't pass that one with the other two. So, but if that were the case, I'd actually probably have to set that up right now. What is my name? Huh. I don't know how to sign it. Where does it show your account shit on MyFund Futures? You done stake yet? No, not yet. I gotta take a trade in my MyFund Future account. I'm trying to do it on TradingView because I don't want to do it on NinjaTrader. But I need my account information and I can't find it. Oh, here it is. long, so 760 should work. Oh my god, that's so fucking stupid. AJ wants a signal right now, longer shirt. I don't have one. Sure, I guess it's a flag. It didn't trap below. I don't love it, but it seems to be working well. Where's the boy Tyrone? When you need a signal, yeah. TP or suicide for AJ? Jesus. Jesus. There we go. Okay, that's done. That's done. That's done. That's done. Okay, it's 10:57. And I'm not taking this up. So there's that. 52,332. There we go. Okay. So that's done. Here. Well, flag worked out pretty well. Peace out, Raven. You took that. What do I need here? How much money? 52,000. I need $700. So what is that with 2 contracts? Or technically, I can trade 3 contracts. Things when you take a loss just before. What's up? What, do you only allow yourself 1 trade a day, Nor? But yeah, it does suck. Yeah, 1 a day rule. Fair enough. At least you followed your rules. It sucks, but. So take a short here. I feel like we're pretty extended. I only need 47 ticks. Take a long. I don't know. We were kind of choppy, and now we're just fucking ripping. That's more likely than that, you think? I'm so bad when I don't have my setup. Do you think, bro? Don't listen to me. Let's see. Let's do some analysis here. I'm gonna watch me fucking blow this right here. Can't see this pumping all the way up with no fucking pullback. Logic. But we'll see. We'll see. Good luck, dude. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. We've already just been fucking straight up, right? Even though I'm usually a trend goer, but not even a little pullback before we get all the way back up to the highs. I don't see that happening. And I need 47. Or 46, whatever it is. Possible. Put that in that. No. Oh, it is. Okay. some sort of a pullback here. Break even now. Gonna go. Did I make anything? I made 50 bucks on that. Well, good thing I got up. So I need $620. Jesus Christ, we're ripping. I need some insight from somebody. What? I need a trade. The low is in on the 11 a.m. candle. I need 43 now. Small weekend expansion candles on hourly is nice. Slowly but surely, we're scalping. I don't know how much I just made, but now I need 400. Or I need $360. So what is that? Six ticks. Pretty wiki on the bottom. Is this how you pass your evals, dude? There's only one day left, but no. Normally I just fucking YOLO them. But I normally YOLO them at open. Like, my Fund of Future ones, I just trade 3 contracts and take my normal trades. But I didn't have any normal trades today, so I couldn't do it. And then my Apex evals, I just fucking YOLO at open. Because there's actually volume and I don't have to sit and wait. But when that's not the case, I just fucking baffle around like a retard. I hate passing evos. Uh-oh. Alright, fuck it. I'm just gonna leave it. We can do it once. Yeah. PayPal's up 2.3%. Oh shit. I'm up $138 in PayPal. Whoa. Really? Really? Misses me by a tick. Come on. Come on. Really? Really? Sick.
Nice.
Misses me by one tick. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it.
What are you doing? Just trying to pass your iPhone with features?
Yeah. I need $210. It missed me by one tick. What the fuck is going on? I'm trying to pass my MyFunded futures. But I need $210, right? No. 15 ticks. Someone give me a trade, long or short. I need 15 ticks. One. Okay. Woo! Thank you, Elias. You're the best. Pass by $1. You're welcome. Can't I say except you're welcome. Now we look at Unrobinhood. Alrighty, let me fucking do my daily dollar real quick and get the fuck out of here. I'm gonna do mines. I'm feeling good about mines. I'm gonna 10x right now, or 20x right now. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. No! Fuck.
Why would you keep going? You were
I
at
said-
like $7.
I was at like 9, I think. I said I was gonna 20x right there. It's close. Okay, that's it. Peace out.